Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with GK. Everyone open chapter 26, digital currency. This is what the chapter we are going to deal today. Okay. Digitization is a present technology which almost brought everything inside it. Nowadays each and everything are carried through digitization, digital process only. For example, you're going to shop and buying something. What you're doing, you're paying through online. So right, so and also you can pay through credit card, you can pay through payment apps. So it means you're paying online, you're paying through digital devices like cell phone or computer. So where it is covered? Is it covered only in shops? Is it covered only in malls? Is it covered only in theaters? No, mostly everywhere nowadays digitization process is covered. So it means wherever you go, if you want to pay something, you can pay using digital wallet and you can buy it. So it means what? Buying and selling goods are mostly done using, nowadays it's mostly done using digitization process only. Okay. Our financial life has been largely digitized. Yeah, our financial life has been largely digitized. In the sense, same thing what I told now. Buying and selling goods are mostly done using digitization only. Currency is no longer just paper, it is also digital. Currency is not only a paper now, it is also a digital. In paper currency is also used. It doesn't mean that it is fully avoided. Paper currency is also used, but currency is not just a paper now, it is also an electronic thing. It is digital currency. Nowadays currency has become digital currency also, because using the transaction is done online, right? Money transaction. So digital currency, we can call it as digital currency. That is what the topic deals with. Okay. It acts same like paper currency but with few computer usage. Yeah, digital currency and paper currency are more or less same. It does the same thing. Both also you will spend and buy some goods. That's it. You will spend and buy some goods, else you will transfer from one to one. That's it. But paper currency you will be handling in hand, and digital currency you will be handling using computer or cell phone. Okay. We can transfer money from one to another without visiting banks. Yeah, one of the main advantage of digital currency is nothing but you can transfer money from one to another without visiting the bank itself. Okay. We can buy goods in shops, malls, etc. using credit card or debit card. Yeah, that is possible, right? So it is digital currency. You can buy goods in shops, malls, wherever you want. You can buy goods using credit card and debit card. Okay. E-wallet also plays a major role in money transaction. Not only credit card, debit card, wallets also plays a major role in money transaction, like Paytm, Google Pay. All these are wallets, right? E-wallets, electronic wallets. These also plays a major role in money transaction. Okay. There are private digital currencies establishing new payment system. Not only this, actually till now what we learnt are digital currencies only, but these are mostly owned by government. Government in the sense currency mostly deals with currency, money. It means mostly deals with government, but there are few private digital currencies also. Means the money itself it is privately owned. Money means mostly it is government related. Government only produces it, right? Okay, but nowadays at present world there are few private currencies also. Okay, establishing new payment system using the private currency also. Few new payment system is established. These private currency do not involve with banks. They don't involve with banks. Money, government currencies involve with banks, but these private currency do not involve with bank. Their aim is to develop a payment system based on cryptographic proof. These private currencies aim, what is their aim? Why they are already government currency is there, then why private currency is needed? Because their aim is to develop a payment system their aim is, government currency is also developing, is already developing a payment system only, but the private currency is aim is also to develop a payment system based on cryptographic proof, based on digitized proof, digital proof, which is nothing but cryptographic proof. Cryptography means is nothing but different codes will be used. Different ununderstandable codes will be used. Only those codes can be understood by experts to complete a transaction, because it is money, right? It is highly precious, right? So cryptographic codes are used. Okay, so it is not easy to hack that money easily. If these codes are not used, the hackers can easily hack money and send to their account, right? So cryptographic codes are used, cryptographic proofs are used. Okay, that is how the payment system is carried out. Using for what? Only for private currency. The most famous private digital currency is Bitcoin. You might have heard something called Bitcoin, but that is the most famous private digital currency. That is the most famous digital currency. Mostly all other whatever you hear are government currency only, but this Bitcoin is a private currency. Okay, Bitcoin transactions are carried out through specific websites. There are few specific websites, there only this Bitcoin transactions are carried out. Bitcoin uses public key and private key method. See, this is called crypto. Here the cryptographic proof comes. Two types of keys are used in Bitcoins to be more secure. One is public key and another one is private key. Okay, a user of Bitcoin can view public key on specified website. I told in website only the transaction is carried out. In that website, a user can view the public key. Public key means that public key can be, if he gives us a login and if he get inside now, he can easily view it. And one private key will also be given to the user. One public key will be inside his website. He can log in and see that. One private key will be given to the concerned user. One public key and one private key. So the private key will be given to the concerned user. Using that private key, he can access the public key and he can transact the money. This is the process. Using the private key, he can log in into it and he can access his own public key and he can transact the money. Okay, transact the Bitcoin currency, Bitcoin money. Okay. However, Bitcoin has some serious loopholes. Even though Bitcoin is used under cryptographic proof, even though it is highly secure, but there are also some loopholes. Bitcoins was targeted by hackers in recent past. Though the Bitcoins using very good technology, cryptographic technology, and they are doing in a very good way also, there are few hackers who are trying to hack it in recent times. Okay. Also, in case of hard drive crash or virus attack corrupts the Bitcoin wallet. Not only the hackers, but also suddenly if any drive crash happens, hard drive crash happens, it means your computer hard drive or the concerned the concerned website owner's computer hard drive is crashed or it is virus attacked, then automatically the Bitcoin's wallet will become zero, which means you doesn't have any proof, you will not have any proof that you are transacting through Bitcoin wallet. So that is very dangerous, right? So your money is lost. So it has to overcome that. It will still take some time for Bitcoin to get popularity. It will take a little more time to get popularity because it has to overcome all these problems: hacking problem, virus attack problem, crash problem. All this, if it is overcoming now, it is becoming good only. It is overcoming. If it overcomes everything in future, this private currency will also be very, very famous. Okay. In November 2016. November 2016, the Union Government of India demonetized notes of rupees 500 and 1000. We know that very well. In November 2016, what happens? Suddenly, government demonetized 500 and 1000 rupees note, right? Okay. With the aim of controlling black money. Why they demonetized? To control the black money. Okay. Meanwhile, government launched BHIM, Bharat Interface for money to transact money online. They have demonetized 500 and 1000 rupees, and thus at the same time they have introduced BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. Bharat Interface for Money. For what they have introduced? To transact the money online. This is a money transaction, online money transaction application. Okay, they have introduced it. Why they have introduced it? To reduce the people dependence on cash. If the money is cash only, if we have cash only, if we have more amount, if we have more cash, what we used to do, we used to hide in some place, which in turn becomes a black money. There are many people who hide the money which they earn from illegal things. If people have more money in their hand, what happens? There are few people who have money illegally, who earn money illegally, and they will hide in one place. That is how black money comes. Okay, that is how black money comes. That is how black money comes, right? If the money, if the most of the transaction is carried out electronically, digitally, we can say digitally, will there be usage of hand currency? No. Mostly we will depend on electronic currency. Nowadays also we also doing the same thing, right? If we want to pay something, what we used to do, we will pay using Paytm or Google Pay or Phone Pay. So mostly we are depending on digital currency, not on hand currency. So automatically, obviously, what will happen? The usage of money is reduced. Okay, so obviously hiding of money is also reduced. So the concept means the black money is reduced. That hidden money is known as black money, right? So it is reduced. Okay, that is why mostly nowadays online transaction is carried out. Okay, it is a mobile app. Now, okay, now we will go into that. Why they have? All this is done by using online transaction, right? Okay, the government introduced which app? BHIM only, right? Bharat Interface for Money, right? Okay. We learn about that. It is a mobile app. BHIM is a mobile app developed by National Payment Corporation of India. NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, based on unified interface concept. This BHIM app is introduced by which company? National Payment Corporation of India. It is a government company. National Payment Corporation of India. It introduces this BHIM app. Based on what concept? This app is introduced, but it is based on what concept? Unified Payment Interface concept. What concept? Unified Payment Interface concept. Okay. By this concept, this company, National Payment Corporation of India, introduced BHIM app. Bharat Interface for Money app. Okay. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, scroll 1 minute before and hear the same wordings again, and you will easily understand. So now the user can pay money using their mobile number or VPA address. Yeah, it is obvious, right? Now you can pay money using your mobile number. Using your mobile number through Paytm, you can pay money. Through Google Pay, you pay money. Through Phone Pay, you can pay money. There is not only mobile number is used there. One more thing is used in these apps, in all these apps. VPA, Virtual Payment Address. VPA is used. Okay. Either you can two-way process it is. Either you can give your mobile number and pay, else you can give your VPA address and pay. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's all, students. This is about this unit. I hope this unit is interesting. Okay, we'll go for the next unit. 27th unit we already saw. Okay, we'll go for the 28th unit. Brain buzz. We are going to see the unit brain buzz. Nothing but we have to think and answer. That's it. First one. If L denotes divide symbol, H denotes multiplication symbol, R denotes plus symbol, and S denotes minus symbol, then 18H12L4R5S6 is equal to dash. This is the question. We have to find which is the answer for this. Okay, we should do some mathematical calculation and we will find. Okay. This is the first one's answer. I have did the mathematical calculations. I will tell you how. Okay. What is the question? Question is 18H12L4R5S6. Okay. 18 for H what? H denotes X, right? So 18 into multiplication. X is nothing but multiplication. 18 into, it is multiplication symbol only. Okay. H denotes into symbol. So 18 into, next 12L. L denotes what? Division symbol. 12L. L denotes division symbol. So 12 divided by next 4R. R denotes what? Plus symbol. R denotes plus symbol. So 4 plus next 5S. S denotes minus symbol. Last you see minus symbol. So 5 minus. Finally what number is given? 6 is given. So we have written that 6. Okay. Okay. Now we have written in the order how to do the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction and all. Okay. Now we will do the math calculation. First what if in the math in what order you should do multiplication, division, addition and subtraction? In that order only you should do now. So first multiplication. 18 into 12. 18 into 12 what? 216. Okay. If you have calculator, do and see, else you multiple and see. Okay. 18 into 12 what? 216 divided by 4 is given. Okay. Which number divided by 4? The multiplication of this number divided by 4. So 216 divided by 4. What will be the answer? 54. 54 will be the answer. Okay. Step by step I have done. Okay. So 54 plus 5 minus 6. Okay. So next 54 plus 5 what? 59. 59, take this minus 6 here. 59 minus 6. 59 minus 6 is what? 53. So the answer is 53. Once you see clearly, first multiplication, other things written down. Then division, other things written down. Then addition, balance thing is written down. Then multiplication, then subtraction, finally subtraction. 53 is the answer. So pick the answer B, 53. That is the answer. Okay. We'll go for the next question. B, fill the missing number in each case. You have to find this number. Fill the missing number in each case. Okay. We'll find it out. What we have to find? What will be the center number? In center what number should come? That we have to find, right? Okay. So first we should solve this. Only then we can solve this. Okay. This is already, the number is written in the center as 44. But how that comes? That we have to find out. Okay. We will find. I found out. I will say that. Okay. So that is the way. Okay. So first they have multiplied these two numbers and then these two numbers. Only then you will get the center number. First they have multiplied these two numbers. Then they have multiplied these two numbers. First 8 into 3. See, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Next 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Finally what they have done is they have added the multiplied numbers. 24 plus 20. What will be the answer? 44. They have added. And that is the answer which is written in the center. 44. Okay. We have solved this. Okay. The same concept will be here also, right? Here will the same concept only they could be used here, right? Okay. We'll find it out. So first what we have to do? First we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 into 7. What is 3 into 7? 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Okay. Okay. Next we have to multiply these two numbers. 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Okay. So finally we have to add these two answers. Addition. What is the addition? 61. That 61 will be in the center. See what number should come? 61. That is the answer. Write 61 here. Okay, and this in the answer box you write 61. The answer box you write 61. That is the answer. 61 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, students. Till now we solved the first question of part B, the missing number in each case. Now we are going to solve the second question of part B. Okay, okay. Second one also simple only. They have used multiplication only. Okay, okay. They have in the outside layer, totally two layers are there. One is inside and another one is outside layer. In the outside layer, the numbers are given now. They have multiple that number. If you multiple that number, the inside layer you will get easily. Okay. First we will take this 9 and 3. Multiple 9 and 3. If you multiple 9 and 3, what you will get? 27 you will get. That 27 is displayed there, inside layer. Okay. Next, this 3 into 12 is multiplied. 3 into 12 is what? 12 into 3, 3 into 12 both are same, is equal to 36. Okay, 36 is displayed here. Next, they have multiplied this 9 and this 8. 9 into 8 what? 72. That 72 is displayed in the inside layer. So all these three numbers displayed. Only this number is not displayed. So we have to find it out, right? So which one is balance? They have multiplied these two and these two also. So these two alone balance. So you multiple these two. 12 into 8. 12 into 8 is what? 96. Okay, that 96 is the answer. Okay, here it is not clear. You have to write 96 here. What? 96. And also in answer box you write 96. Okay, okay, that's all, students. We'll go for the part C. Tick mark the sequence which arranges the following in meaningful order. See, it is nothing but a sequence of words are given. Okay, you have to orderize it. Which order if it goes, this will make a proper meaning. Okay, okay. First it will start with member. Okay, first you are a member. Wherever you are a member. You are a member of what? You are a member of a family. You are a member. You are a member. You are a person. You are a member. You are a member of a family. That family is of a certain community. You are member of a family of a certain community. You are member of a family of a certain community in a certain locality. You are a normal person, you are a member, then you are a member of any family. A member means you will have a family, right? Member of any family. That family will have some community, right? A member of certain community. You are a member of a family. That family is of a certain community. That community is, you should be somewhere, right? That is locality. You are in this locality. That locality should be where? In a country, right? Country. So that is the concept. Member of a family of a certain community of a certain locality of this country. So that will be the answer. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. That is the answer. See, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Option A is the answer. Tick it out. That's it. Tick out. So the proper sequence is ticked. That is the question. Tick it out. Okay. We'll go for the second one of this. Second one. Rainbow, sun, clouds, rain, water vapor. Okay. We have to make a proper sequence and we have to now find the numbers. Okay. Okay. First you should take sun only. I will say why. Sun absorbs water vapor. Sun absorbs water from ground, right? In which way it will reach the sun? Through, like water vapor only, it will travel from ground to sun. Okay, sun absorbs water vapor. Okay, water vapor then becomes cloud. That is what cloud. What is cloud? A collection of water vapors is cloud. Is cloud, right? Okay, sun absorbs water vapor. Water vapor becomes cloud. Then from cloud only we are getting rain again. Water is absorbed from earth and sent back to earth. That is the concept actually. Okay. First sun. Sun absorbs water vapor. Okay. Water vapor then becomes cloud. Then cloud becomes rain. Okay. When rain comes, automatically rainbow comes. Okay. That is the answer. So what is the answer? What is the number? 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Okay, see down. This is the answer. 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Here he have ticked this. This is wrong. This you don't mark it out. Okay. Mark this one alone. Option C alone. 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. That is the answer. Okay. Okay. We'll go for the next question. In next page you have some questions. Okay. We'll go there. Option D. decipher the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Okay, we'll find the answer. Decipher is nothing but convert. Convert the pattern and fill the missing number. Okay, we'll fill it. Okay, we'll find. Only this number is to be found, so we will find it out. This one also very easy, students. They are trying to confuse us. That's all. If we find, if we find out, it is very easy. I have found out. I will tell you. That is the way this calculation is of. 5. First they have multiplied these two numbers. 5 into 8 is equal to 5 into 8 is what? 40 only. Okay, but they have not shown you, but they have minus one number secretly. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. They have minused and they have written the answer. Minus 1 is equal to 39, right? See, 39. They have minused themselves, but it is not shown somewhere here. That is the small trick they have used. Okay, next two number you multiple. 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is equal to what? 27. They have minus 1. What is the answer? 26. See, they have written the 26 here. Okay, that is the small trick. So what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication and we have to minus 1. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. That's all. That is the answer. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. That's all. 11 is the answer. Write 11 in this answer box. Okay. We'll go for the second one of option D. Second one. Okay. This one is also very simple one only. Second one is also simple one only. I will say how to do that. Okay. First 18 and 24. This two numbers we have to solve. Okay. How 24 comes means with 18 they have added 6. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. If you add and see also 18 plus 6 only you will get 24. So 6 is added here. Next 24, 32. So what they have added to make the 24 to 32, what they have added? 8 they have added. See, 24 plus 8 will become 32. So they have added 8. So 32, 42, what they will add? 10 they will add. 32 plus 10 only it will become 42. Okay, they have added 42. So they have added 10. So see the difference. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. In this way they have added. In even numbers they have added 6, 8, 10. Obviously what will be the next number? 12 only will be there. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like that only. 6, 8, 10. Obviously next number what will be there? 12 only will be there. Okay. So 42 plus 12 will become what? Will become 54. 42 plus 12. If you add 12, the answer will become 54. So 54 is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. If you didn't understood, no issues. Just scroll back 1 minute and then see the same calculation again so that you will easily understand. Okay, that's all students. We'll go for the option E. This one is also very simple. Same thing only. But here the concept what they have used in the question number 1 of option D, the same concept only they have used. That hidden minus 1 concept, that is what they have used here also. These two number, and with that minus 1 you will get this number. 15 plus 8 is nothing but 23. Minus, if you do minus 1 you will get 22. The hidden minus 1 concept only done here. Answer is 22. Next 7 plus 12. What? 7 plus 12, this we will do. Okay, 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. Hidden minus 1. Okay, you do minus 1. Answer is 18. Okay, next. So the same concept will be here also. 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. We will here minus 1 by ourselves. So the answer is 21. Answer will be 21. Answer is 21. Write in the answer box 21. Okay, we'll go for the second one. Okay. See, the second one is also very easy, but this is little fun math. They are trying to make us fun. Okay, see, 3 numbers are given. In first row and second row, three numbers are given. This is the answer. Okay, first actually this is the answer. 16, 4, 5 they have given. Whatever you do, you won't get 5. But what is the concept? Nothing. This number they have given to confuse us. That's all. But they have just added plus 1 with this. You will get answer. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is the answer. But these numbers they have given just to confuse us. Just to confuse us. Okay. Don't get confused. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So obviously 3 plus 1 will be the answer. Answer is 4. Write 4 here. That's all. Okay, students, that's all. This unit is over. We'll go for the next unit. Okay, open chapter number 29. Figure it out. First one. If the word significant, the first word is interchanged with the last. The second word, see, the first word interchanged with the last. Second word interchanged with the 10th one. N is 10th one, okay? Count and see, you will find out. The third word interchanged with the 9th one, and so on. Means 4th with 8th, 5th with 7th, like that, okay? So what will be the answer? Nothing. The answer will be in reverse order only. That is what the concept. If you interchange and see, you will easily find out. First word with last word means T will come first, S will go last. Like that, I with N means N will come with the T. I will go with near S. Like that only. So the answer will be the reverse of it. T, N, A, C, I, F, I, N, G, I, S. If you do and see, you can easily find out. Okay, that's all. Second one, if the letters of the alphabets are arranged in reverse order, which will be the 9th letter to the right Y? It is nothing but, see, alphabets A, B, C, D we know. If we arrange in Z, Y, X, W in reverse order, what will be the 9th letter of Y? Then your 9th letter right to the Y. Okay, so leave Y from X you count. X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P. If you count, if you write and see A, B, C, D, and in the reverse order, after leaving Y from X, if you count, P will be the answer. P will be the 9th one. Also, P is the answer. Okay. If train is written in 20, 18, 19, 14, car is written in this number and decode chip, it is nothing but simple. For T is 20th letter in the alphabet. R is 18th letter in the alphabet. Okay, A is first letter, so 1 is given here, and I is 9th letter. We saw in that also now. I is 9th letter, and N is 14th letter. So instead of writing train, they have written in the numbers. That's all. So for car, it will be very easy. You see, car, C is third letter. A is first letter. R is 18th letter. 18. So 3118 means car. Okay, it is decode encode process they used to say. It is a technical word in computer. They used to say decode encode. I hope I have taught you in computer. If not, in the upcoming class you will learn. In the upcoming grade you will learn. Okay. Then decode. See, they itself they have given. Then decode this number. Okay, then we will decode this number. 19 is nothing but S. If you count and see A, B, C, D, 19th letter will be S. Then 8th letter will be H. 8th letter will be H. Okay. 9th letter will be I. Then 16th letter will be P. So the answer is S, H, I, P. Okay. That's all. We'll go for the fourth one. If every alternate letter of the alphabet starting from A is written in capital letter, if every alternate letters starting from A is written in capital letter, then the rest are written in small letter. How will the month of February be written? Okay. So see, listen carefully. If every alternate letter of alphabet A starting from A is written in capital letter, A, then C, leave B, C, then E, G, like this, alternate letters are written in capital, and the rest of the letters are written in small. Then B, A is written in capital means B is in small only now. Then C will be in capital. Then D will be in small only now. Like that. See, I have written. Simply I have written. You see, A will be in capital. B will be in small. C will be in capital. D will be small. E will be capital. F will be small. Like this. If you write, then how the February will be written? See, here they have written in one type now. This is wrong. Okay, don't write this type. I will show you. Like that only February will be. Like this only February will be. F in small, E in capital, B in small, R in small, U in capital, A in capital, R in small, Y in capital. Like this only it will be. Write it. Okay, write it clearly. Okay, students, we'll go for the next question. In each of the following questions, identify which one word cannot be formed with the letters of the given word. This one is very simple. If we understand, it is very simple. Pharmaceutical, it is a word. Okay. From this word, what are the words you can derive and which word you cannot derive? From pharmaceutical, can you derive heart? See, H is there, E is there, A is there, R is there, T is there. So, like word building, from this you can build a word, and from this you can build the ceramic word, from this you can build a practice word, but from this you cannot build greater word because G is not there. So the answer is greater. Write greater here. Next, refrigerate. From this you can derive refer, great, regret. These words you can derive, but price you cannot derive because P is not there. So write tick price here and write price here. Okay. Next, recommendation. From this you can derive recommend, you can derive meditate, you can derive command, but you cannot derive communicate. U is not there. Communicate, U is not there in this word. So the answer is communicate. Next, intellectualism. From this you can derive intellect, talent, T-A-L-E-N-T. Talent is there. Cleanse, C-L-E-A-N-S. Cleanse is there, which is not there. Culture is not there because in culture 2 U is used. Here only one, in this word only one U is there. So culture you cannot take it from out. Okay, you cannot build from this word. So culture is the odd one. So tick it out and write here culture. Okay, that's all. Okay, we'll go for the next unit. Okay, 30th unit. Rack your brain. Rack your brain. By this unit we will wind up the class. Okay. Okay. Fill the missing one in each sequence. First one, 6, 11, 7, 12, 8, dash 9. Okay, this is easy only. See, first they have given 6. Then they have given 11. Then they have given 7. See, 6 is given first. 7 is given in the third one. Third number. 7 is given as a third number. Then 8 will be given as a fifth number. 9th will be given as 7th number. You see, 6, one number gap and then 7. One number gap and then 7. 8. One number gap and then 9. Okay, so order 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you see this one is second number. You see 11. One number gap 12. One number gap, obviously it will be 13 only. So 13 is the answer. So 11, one gap 12, one gap 13, like that. Okay, okay. Next, this one. See, second one also very easy only. The difference only they have shown. First 100, then 95 they have written. So what will be the difference between 100 and 95? It is obviously 5 difference. Okay, 100, 95. Next, 95, 85, 10 difference. 95 minus 85, 10 difference. Next, 85, 70. What is the difference? 15 difference. 15 difference they have used. 85, 70. Minus 15 only 70 comes, right? Okay, next. 70 minus 20, 50 you will get. So easy, see. 100 minus 5, 95. 95 minus 10, 85. 85 minus 15, 70. 70 minus 20, 50. 50 minus 25, 25. Here it is written wrong. You have to write 25. Okay. Okay. Next. Third one. Third one also very easy only. The small trick only they have used. Okay. DW. D means A, B, C, D. Fourth letter. Fourth letter in A, B, C, D. And W from last, from Z, Y, X, W. From last it is fourth letter. Okay. And then EV. E is fifth letter from starting. V is fifth letter from last. F is sixth letter from starting. U is sixth letter from last, from Z. Okay. G is seventh letter from A. T is seventh letter from Z. Okay. Okay. Next eighth letter will come, right? Okay. H is eighth letter from A. And S is eighth letter from Z. So the answer is H is H S. Okay. H S. Okay. Okay. If you had any confused, just scroll the video a little before and once again you see, you will easily understand. Next, big letter, small letter. Okay, big Z is written, small z is written, big Y, small y, big X, small x. Then what? Then big V, small v. Z, Y, X, W from reverse order. Z, Y, X, W. So big W, small w should write. Okay. In between what word come? W only will come. Big W, small w. That you write. That's all. Okay. Okay. Fifth one also very easy only. Alternative letters. A. Then B will not come. Alternative letter means C only will come. Then alternative letter of C. Take the first letter. Two letters are given now. Say take the first letter alone. A. Then second one first letter you see C. Then third one first letter you see. After C, D will not come. Alternative letter means E only will come, right? Okay, E. Then G. Then I. Okay, so the first letter will be I. Okay, come to the second letter of two letters. Second letter S. Then Q. Y in the sense they have written in the reverse order. Z, Y, X, W. Reverse order they have written. In that reverse order, after S, one gap will come and then Q will come. After S, R will come in reverse order. After S, R will come and then Q will come. So is R is not alternative letter. After for S, which is alternative letter? Q is alternative letter. Then for Q, which is alternative letter? After Q, what will come? P will come, then O will come. So O is the alternative letter. For O, which is the alternative letter? N will O, N, M. So N will not be the alternative letter. So M is the alternative letter. O, M. So S, then alternative letter is Q, then alternative letter is O, then alternative letter is M. Then finally the answer for the alternate answer will be K. Alternative letter of M is K. This is in reverse order and the first one is in straight order. Okay, that's all. We'll go for the option B. Circle the odd one out. Mostly the given words will be similar and interlinked to each other. But which word is not similar and interlinked? That one we have to take out. Odd one out. Okay. Leather, wool, fur. These are mostly similar to each other. Rayon is odd one. Oliver Twist, Pickwick Papers, Three Musketeers. Three Musketeers is the odd one. Dandiya, Bangara, Gomer, Kathakali. Kathakali is the odd one. Sahara, Angel, Gobi, Atacama. Angel is odd one. Plum, ferns, lichens, bryophyte. Plum is odd one. Okay. Now we'll go to section C. What category do these belong to? Following few words are given. What these are related to, you have to find. Anvil, femur, stirrup, tibia. These are technical words related to bones. Okay. Next, second one, billiards, tennis, soccer, hockey. These are related to ball games. BALLGAMES. Okay. Third one, aquamarine, vermilion, ochre, mayuv. These are related to color. Beetle, locustus, firefly, Anophilus. These are related to insects. Okay. The Alps, the Ants, the Atlas, the Ural. These are related to mountain ranges. Okay. MOUNTAIN RANGES. Spellings you write correctly. Mountain, MOUNTAIN. Here it is written wrong. Okay. Write correctly. Bones, BONES. It looks like R now. You write correctly. BONES, bones. Okay. BALLGAMES, COLOURS, INSECTS, MOUNTAIN space RANGES, mountain range. Okay. We'll go for the next one. Fill in the blanks. Tie, neck, belt. These are related to vest. VEST. Here W it is written. You write VEST. Vest. Bird, aviary, fish. Related to aquarium. AQUARIUM, aquarium. Write the spelling correctly. If you have any doubt, scroll little front. Scroll the video little front and write correctly. Third one, swan, cygent, peacock. Related to peachick. 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 Okay. Next one, nephrology, kidney, corneology are related to skull. SKULL, skull. Warrior, battlefield, pilot, sky, related to sky, sky, sky. Okay, that's all students. For this class we have completed chapter number 26, 28, 29 and 30. 27 we already completed, so 26, 28, 29 and 30. That's all students. And what you want to do is take the picture of this and send in your group. And your actual homework is read chapter 28, 29, 30. Okay, 28, 29, 30. Okay, students, take care, have a nice day, bye.